runway.
26 left, full length.
26 left, full length, wind straight ahead, PEX
Off.
Before takeoff, checklist complete.
Okay, we're cleared for takeoff.
Yes.
Wind is from 310 about.
Yes, so it's
quite strong as you can
quite
see.
strong from forward right.
Okay.
As calculated.
I bring the aircraft on the center line,
Perfect.
then there will be a handover.
And we did a briefing here in case of engine failure, straight ahead, acceleration 3000, we climbed 4000. With beautiful weather, we could come back to Munich.
Yeah. You have control.
I have control.
Takeoff.
Manflex plus 43 as runway, auto thrust blue.
Thrust set.
Checked.
Rotate. Positive climb.
Gear up.
Gear up.
Enough. Thrust gear climb, auto thrust. Acceleration is set to 4.2 because of the constraint.
Lufthansa 714, contact radar 12795, ciao.
12795, ciao, Lufthansa 714. München radar, good, good, Lufthansa 714, 3600, climbing level 70.
For 714, identified the low, climb flight level 190.
Lufthansa 714, climb flight level 190.
90,000 blue and PEX on, please. Climb. Flaps 1.
Speed checked. Flaps 1.
Altimeter. Off lap 0 first.